Okay, welcome back to another session or season. Essentially, we have another case here, and we're going to judge it as usual. We're going to give some advice if possible. And so let's listen to the story. So this person says, I have met this guy a couple of months ago, or I met this guy a couple of months ago. I have met this guy a couple of months ago. Hey, is that correct English? Charlie, people can write this. So, hey. I met this guy a couple of months ago, and so far, so good. But my problem is, I'm afraid I may lose him because he cooks much better than I do. Hey, a gentleman who cooks better than a lady or his girlfriend, as Sababa. Anytime he prepares food, you could realize, yes, this is food. Anytime he cooks food, you can realize that yes, this is food. Hey, then the guy must be a chef, oh, some serious chef. hmm Anytime he prepares food, you could realize yes, this is food. But whenever I cook, we struggle to eat, and I know my food doesn't taste like his. But out of love, he tries to eat. Hey, so romantic boy. Hmm. I'm worried and scared of losing him. He's caring, helpful too. I'm just worried and confused. Okay, so this is a situation where the lady is kind of intimidated about the guy's cooking skills and that he has better cooking skills than her. My friend, your problem is a very small one. If you think he cooks better than you, let him teach you how to cook. Okay, learn how he prepares his meals. Whenever he's in the kitchen, go in there, see what he does differently. If it is about presentation, if it is about the kind of spices, if it's about the kind of ingredients he uses, you can simply learn from him. Or you can go online, Facebook platform, or any other online portal, learn how to cook specific meals, tasty meals. These days, even if you want to learn how to fly an aircraft, you can do most of the theory online and study and learn by watching videos. So your problem is a very, very, very little one. You shouldn't be worried, you shouldn't be concerned. If you love him enough, then you must make sacrifices to try to keep him. What are some of these sacrifices? Simply improve upon your cooking or culinary culinary or culinary skills. Yeah, I believe the word is culinary. Okay, so simply um try and improve upon your cooking skills. That'll be all. All right. Thank you and see you for the next one. Bye bye.